There is a lot of noise lately about the mining boom. What is it all about? What's really going on with the coal industry, the resource sector, the LNG gas hub? What does it all mean? How can Palmer and Reinhardt become some of the world's richest people if the mining boom has suddenly come to an end? The truth is that the mining boom isn't over. It's just changing and evolving like many industries do. The fact remains that 65% of all government revenue will be generated out of the mining and resource sector for at least the next 20 years and will continue to be the strength of the Australian economy. The Chinese have invested over $500 billion into infrastructure, focusing on the iron ore and the coal industries, making our national investment pipeline one of, if not the, largest in the world. Decades of growth still remain, with new opportunities being created all the time. Expanding commodities such as LNG gas, thermal coal, uranium, gold and other mineral deposits are now combining with overseas exports to increase our future GDP. We are right in the middle of a once-in-a-generation experience and the largest economic windfall that this country has ever seen. Single-handedly, this sector guided us through the GFC and is still the strength of our economy today. The real question is, as an average everyday Australian, how can we tap into this? How can we be a part of the success and improve our lives in a way that we no longer have to worry about our retirement, or if the pension will still be around when we reach 60? As important as the mining boom itself is understanding that not all areas are created equal. Knowing how the mining boom impacts on individual cities at different times and how they experience varying degrees of risk versus growth is all crucial information when deciding on whether to invest or not. As an investor, it is critical to not just listen to the media, as often it is too late and the real growth has already passed. The secret is understanding what drives the increase in property prices and getting in before the market goes, or while there is still plenty of growth to go.
I want to retire soon, which is another 5 to 10 years time. So I said, will I start now? Where I'm living, there's not much growth, and because I don't know why, and because of this mining thing come up and all this low interest rate, and I think that's the best way of doing it, and there's a lot of education going too.
Being a victim of its own success, the resource industry has created massive housing and accommodation crises in many regions. Some of them represent great value, and some of them pose acceptable risk levels. Getting it right can make you hundreds of thousands of dollars with great returns, and getting it wrong could result in being stuck in an investment you can't sell, dropping value and costing you money each and every single week. The secret to our success and why our clients outperform most of their peers is how we acquire land in high growth, cash flow positive areas, months or sometimes a year ahead of their release, and pass this value on to our clients. Our investments are not available online or to the public, but are located in high demand locations. Our results for our clients are often regarded as the pinnacle in investment and have been quite often envied through numerous property investor circles. Imagine the impact to your family budget hitting the mark within an investment in an area that is going to surge by tens of thousands of people. Picture the growth and rental return as they try to keep up with the demand. We have already helped hundreds of families, and our success becomes your success. Fill out the form provided to learn how our research can work for you.